Hi, welcome back to Health Talk with Dr. Akram. In these series of programs, we're talking about the secrets of long life. Our first program was about blue zone communities. The second one was what the Centenarians ate. And the third one was their lifestyle. And the fourth one about the Okinawans. And here, I'm going to give you the 10 most important tips. 10 tips to hit a century in your life. First, moderate regular physical activity. All the blue zone communities had participated in regular activities. They made their lifestyle around it. Physical activity is important for your body to work properly, for your gut motility, for food absorption, to make your muscle and cardiovascular system work. The second one is life purpose. We are programmed by our genetics to live to a purpose. When there is no purpose, the body and soul give up living. Stress reduction. Stress is inferno to our body and soul. Stress damages your chromosomes, the basic genetic material you are built upon. The end of chromosomes called telomeres. They get broken when chronic stress hits your body. Moderate caloric intake. Your calorie intake should match your calorie output. If you take more calorie, that will be deposited as fat. That will lead to obesity, cardiovascular problems, and other. Plant-based diet. Plant-based diets provide essential amino acids without adding unwanted cholesterol or fat. Moderate alcohol intake, especially wine. Wine has high level of polyphenols and antioxidants, and also wine helps produce cortisol, a stress-related hormone. Engagement in spirituality and religion. Spirituality and religion give you a sense of life. Even spiritual activities tend to increase your immune responses, and reduce certain illnesses. Engagement in family life. A strong social bond increases the purpose of life. Engagement in social life. Humans are social animals. They are programmed to work in community. Last not the least, regular sex. Icarians and Okinawans have regular sex into their 90s and 100s. The world's oldest father is from India. He was 96 years old when the child was born. And also we know that people who are having regular sex life at least twice a week after their 50s have about half the rate of mortality than those who aren't getting it. Those are the 10 mantras for longevity from our research into the centenarian lifestyle. Good luck. Please subscribe for a free century YouTube channel, Health Talk with Dr. Akram. But by the time, keep practicing. Change your lifestyle. It's not difficult. We'll see you in very special programs in the future. Until then, look after yourselves. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.